Okay, straight into it, guys. We've got the glass surface with the cardboard aperture underneath, and that's going to serve us as our like frame, and it's our little bit of space where we can be creative and put down our petals and whatever we want to. Really, that's flat, and that works with the gun. So right, as you can see here, right, we've got the glue gun, and what I'm doing is I'm like looping it in an infinity shape. If you can imagine a figure eight going up and out, but the glue has to be crossing, and that means it sticks together like a fabric. Okay, I'm going to leave it a little while to dry. It probably takes about a minute and a half. So on to the next one, layering the petals. These are beautiful, really vibrant. And these are from the rainbow rose petals that I got back in October. So yeah, we're laying them out in the aperture. And you can imagine the light that's going to go through that blue. It'd be stunning. They can add the green. There you go. It kind of goes with, can you see the green in that left petal on the corner? So we go up with the glue gun around the frame as straight as you can, and a couple of mil edge around it, because that's what we're going to use to stick onto the card. And in the figure eight, like an infinity loop, and as thinly as possible. And we'll go through that some other time, okay, about holding the trigger and releasing it. And there you can see, look, quite finely over the petals. And they are quite delicate, and look, you can see they're a little bit tough at first to get off, but you get into it. And it's just when it's fine like that, you've got to be careful not to tear the petals. Just gently pulling it off. And there we go. Last little bit. Get the scissors and trim. I really need some new scissors. Mine are blunt as anything. But there we go. Then you trim the sides along your edges like you originally did with a glue gun. That instantly neatens it off, and it brings it together. It's nice. There you go. But do try and get some sharp scissors, because you get a nice clean finish on it. There we go. Oh, I love that blush pink. It's a gorgeous colour. And here we go. Through the light. And put that to one side, ready to stick in for later. Right, so we've got our card blank. We turn it over to the inside, so we're going to glue face down. There, I did that one earlier. There we go. I'm going to show you with the blue one though. So here we go. So you lay it face down, so the glue side is on the outside, and the petals should be on the inside. And gently just blob tiny bit of glue. I do 3 because I just don't want them to flap about or come out, so I kind of secure them. It is a bit blobby, but if you can get it finer than that, that's brilliant. And then you just leave that to dry for a little bit. I'm being a little bit impatient here, but oh yeah, that one should be dry. So we fold the edges. Fold them nice. And there we go. The light comes through. Look at those beautiful colours. Beautiful. See, I'm being a bit impatient here. I've got all my woolies on because it was cold that day. There we go. Look, we'll start another one. So put that to one side for a bit. You should really keep it flat and not be impatient, but hey-ho. So here we go. Look at those oranges. Beautiful. So here we go. One in the corner, in the middle, in the other corner, middle, corner, middle, corner, middle. Finish off. Oh, the blue one should be ready now. Here we go. Look, you can see that light there coming through already. Nice sharp edges. There you go. All done. Voila! I really do like all the shades of the rainbow petals. They look like seashells. Here we go. Corner, middle, corner, middle, corner, middle, corner, middle. There we go. Orange one's ready. It's like sunshine. Beautiful. I think there